Hi guys, I hope you are all okay. Welcome to us here at Arm Candy. We have another, it's getting off to a good start. We have another beautiful Aspinal of London Lottie for you today. This is one of my favourites. I love this bag and it's in the gorgeous soft pebble taupe colour. Isn't that amazing? I love it. I think this colour is a perfect one for everyone. I'll come back and show you the sizing, but first of all, I'll show you the strap. So you've got this chain strap here that you can pull through and you can have it as a long shoulder, a crossbody, or a shorter shoulder. So here it is on me as a crossbody. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8. It sits really nicely as a crossbody. I do really like it as a crossbody. You could also have it as sort of a long one shoulder strap thing. And that also really nice, really comfortable. It's really light, but I think I prefer it most of all as a shoulder, a short shoulder. I think that looks really cute. So it's very versatile. It comes with the Aspinal of London dust bag, and I will show you features of it now. So you've got this sort of flip lock fasten there. You've got the base studs on the bottom, of course, as well. I'll give you a little overview. So once you flip that up, inside, you've got a big main compartment there, and then you've got a zipped pocket. Let me unzip that for you so you can have a look. So there's that zipped pocket, and then you've got another main compartment just here, which is a tiny bit smaller than that one. And then you've got one flat pocket there as well. So for a small bag, it's got a lot of room, I think. There's a lot of space in there and it stays very light whilst being something that has a lot of space in it. So as a little bag, I think this is the ideal kind of shape and size for me personally, as a little sort of carry around bag that you want to actually be able to fit more than, you know, your phone in. So I think it's a gorgeous sort of design. Condition wise, I'll talk you through the condition. I've called the exterior very, very good. There's nothing to show you. There's no marks to show you. There's one tiny little scratch just here that you hopefully can see. And that's all I could find. But of course it is a pre-loved bag. So you can maybe see some signs of wear in the leather due to its nature. But there really is nothing to show you, so that's why I've called it very, very good. The interior, I have also called very, very good. There is no marks in there whatsoever. It's excellent. But because it is a pre-loved bag and it has been used, you can maybe see a few signs of wear in the shaping of it, but it looks fantastic. And the hardware as well, I've called very, very good. There is really no marking on the outer area there. The base studs look fantastic. You can see there's a few hairline scratches there, which you expect from base studs, but there's nothing majorly showing up at all. You have to shine it in the light to see. But the reason I've not called it excellent is because there is one little thing just there, if you can see, on that stud, on that little piece in there, a little mark. So that's the reason I've called that very, very good and not excellent. So this is a gorgeous bag in a gorgeous condition. And yeah, I love it. I feel like I should start a fan club for this bag. So if you love this Aspinal of London Lottie as much as I do, we'll put the link to it in the description below. You can click that link, it will take you straight to our website and you can go and buy this beauty. Before you go and do that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you'll get alerts when we post a new video. When you get alerts when we post a new video, it means there's a brand new bag on the website. So if you get an alert, you're going to be one of the first people to know that there's a new bag on the website. So if it's your dream bag, you can go and snap it up as quick as possible. But also, whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter. You'll either get a pop-up or you can scroll down to any page and put your email address in. You'll get a discount code sent to your email for 5% off your first purchase. Sometimes it goes to the spam folder, so make sure you check your spam folder if you haven't received it, you know, within a minute of you putting your email address in, because it should happen immediately. So yes, sign up to the newsletter, check out our other pre-loved bags, purses and wallets, and make sure you watch tomorrow's video as well. Bye.